I decided to test a high-ticket funnel using ClickFunnels, and the results were eye-opening. High-ticket funnels are a whole different game compared to selling low-priced products. You're not just selling a $7 ebook, you're selling $500, $1,000, even $3,000 offers. And that requires a completely different strategy. So I built a simple 4-step high-ticket funnel inside ClickFunnels. Here's how it looked. Page 1. A lead capture page offering a free video training or case study. Page 2. A value-packed video explaining the offer and qualifying the lead. Page 3. An application form to filter serious prospects. Page 4. A booking page connected to my calendar for one-on-one calls. I made sure the messaging spoke directly to my niche. High pain point, high value solution. Then I added a few automation workflows. Tagging leads, sending email sequences, and following up based on behavior, all inside ClickFunnels. Now for the traffic. I didn't run cold ads right away. Instead, I started with organic reach, content on YouTube and Instagram, plus outreach to my email list. After a few days, I got my first application, then a second. By the end of the week, I booked 3 discovery calls, all from this funnel. Here's what I learned. High-ticket funnels don't need to be complicated, but they do need to be focused. Clear messaging, strategic positioning, and a real offer that solves a real problem. ClickFunnels made the whole process simple, from capturing leads to booking calls and even automating follow-ups. Did I make a sale? Yes, one of the 3 booked calls converted into a $1,000 client. That's the power of high-ticket funnels. You don't need hundreds of leads. You just need the right ones. Want to try your own high-ticket funnel? Check the video description for a free funnel template and a trial of ClickFunnels 2.0. And if you're serious about growing your online business, hit subscribe for more funnel strategies, experiments, and behind-the-scenes breakdowns. Thanks for watching, okay? And remember, one funnel can change everything.